Imagine an editing software where you can literally just open it up, sit back, and it will do the rest. Well, that sounds like a perfect world. But what if I told you that that doesn't have to be an imagination anymore? Because with Filmora's new templates that you can use, it will literally do everything for you. But let me show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm open now in Filmora, and as you guys can see, there is no media added or anything. So what you want to do is you want to go here at the top where all these little things are, you want to go to templates. Okay, so once you're open here in templates, you'll see that there is a bunch of different things that you can choose from. So basically what these templates do is, instead of you sitting there for hours trying to make a cool intro or outro or whatever it is, Filmora automatically does it for you. So let's go, for example, with this first one that pops up. Let's drag and drop it into the timeline. And as you guys can see here, this automatically creates a cool intro for your business, for example. And there you have it. Now the cool thing about this, I can double press and it will take me to this page. Now the cool thing is, on this page I can literally replace anything I want to, whether it be text, whether it be stock media, literally everything can be edited. So if I go to text, here is all the text that they use in that specific template. So then you can simply press on one and say HQ. So now Tech HQ will basically be, so you can literally edit any part of this that you want without needing to at all make it yourself. You just simply put it in and put in different text, and that is it. Now let's go, for example, and I'll show you another one. So let's just delete this one real quick. Okay, so let's go to, see, here's the cool thing. Here at the top you can select your aspect ratio, whether you want portrait ones or do you want landscape ones, and then you can do a certain amount of clips you want to put in. So let's just go no limit, and also you can even put a duration on how long you want your intro or outro or whatever you're going to use it for to be. Now another thing I would like to add is, here at the side you'll see, the cool thing about this is you can even select what type of intro and outro and template you'd like to use. So you have YouTube intros, you have cinematic ones, you have business, logo reveal, in-screen, subscribe, music festival, slideshow, travel, the list goes on. So I think this is so cool, especially if you don't want to sit here and waste your time trying to create all of these templates, when Filmora simply gives it to you. Okay, so there you have it. Now you also know how simple it is to just use Filmora templates to your benefit. And I think it's a very cool feature, as I said, that you don't have to physically step by step create those templates, but just simply drag and drop and then edit from there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Go to the link down in the description and download Filmora now, completely free. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.